In honor of Earth Day today, I have a really special company to share with you guys. This is a company I stand behind. They put your safety first, taking the shame away from women's health and sexuality, and in the process, being able to call out all of the harmful chemicals that were being put in feminine hygiene products, as well as any other product that should have always been vagina friendly, but was not. Itching and burning. If these symptoms sound familiar, anytime you use condoms, lubricants, pads, tampons, then I highly recommend giving Sustain Naturals a try. They sell tons of products that is constantly growing, and this company is really taking off because they are so good. They use certified organic cotton and ingredients that you can trust to work and not worry about. They give back 10% to help women who don't have female health services. And you can purchase their products on SustainNatural.com. You can also subscribe for items and save money, as well as the fear of ever running out and being in an emergency ever again. That's why I get these guys shipped to my door. And this is a completely empty bag of their wipes because they are just that endlessly useful. And their menstrual cups save so much trash going into the landfills with all of the pads and tampons that we use. In case you don't know much about menstrual cups, they're also great because you can wear them for 12 hours and pretty much not worry about it. And if you insert them correctly, they are incredibly comfortable and you won't even notice that they're there. You can go swimming, you can exercise, all of that good stuff. And the best part is, you just received a 25% discount on your order. Use the code DLM25 at checkout. Make sure you like their social media accounts for all of their updates on new products coming out, articles, and more great deals. Thank you very much for watching this video, and cheers to your better health and better health for the planet.